A Shelby County judge facing sharp criticism and possible disciplinary action tonight for letting a shooting suspect out of jail. General Sessions Judge Bill Anderson ordered the release of the man charged with shooting 4 people outside Railgarten, a popular midtown bar and grill. Action News 5's Joyce Peterson is live with how the DA and a state lawmaker are now challenging the judge's ruling. Joyce?
Joe, Memphis police say that 30-year-old Deton Gunn injured those 4 people when he fired a shotgun during an argument over a parking space here at Railgarten. He was booked into 201 on a $500,000 bond. Then Monday, Judge Anderson released him, no bond required. Tonight, 2 men usually at odds are both fighting to get Gunn back behind bars.
I think this is somebody who clearly is a loose cannon.
Shelby County District Attorney Steve Mulroy says 30-year-old Deton Gunn, the man charged with shooting 4 people outside Railgarten during a fight over a parking spot, should never have been released from the Shelby County Jail.
Given the seriousness of the offense and the number of victims involved, we think this is a serious case where he is a danger to the community and needs to be held in custody pending trial.
Monday in court, the DA's office requested a $500,000 bond for Gunn. His own defense attorney asked for a $75,000 bond, but General Sessions Judge Bill Anderson ordered Gunn released ROR on his own recognizance, meaning no money required to get out of jail. In this social media post, DA Mulroy says his office filed an emergency appeal to Anderson's decision Wednesday. He also thanks State Senator Brent Taylor for his interest in the case.
Clearly, he did not follow state law.
Senator Taylor sent a letter to the DA Wednesday morning asking his office to file an emergency appeal. He sent a second letter to the Tennessee Board of Judicial Conduct, asking it to investigate Judge Anderson. The judge says Taylor ignored a new law he helped pass.
He just completely disregarding state law because the first consideration of bail should be whether or not the defendant's going to be a threat to the community, and clearly an alleged mass shooter is a threat to the community.
Judge Anderson's been reprimanded once already for criticizing the bail system. A second reprimand could leave his fate up to the General Assembly.
We could issue a censure or we could remove him.
For now, Taylor and Mulroy are focused on getting Deton Gunn back behind bars.
We're hoping, of course, that a high bond will be set, something high enough to make sure that he stays in jail until this case is resolved.
All right, so the appeal is called an emergency writ of certiorari. It is rarely used. It asks a judge in a higher court to step in and handle a new bond hearing. A date for that hearing has not yet been set. I did reach out to Judge Anderson tonight to ask him for a statement. He said he cannot comment about any case pending in his courtroom. We'll keep you posted. Reporting live outside Railgarten in Midtown, Joyce Peterson, Action News.